Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Welcome back. We're looking live at our 41 Skyview camera over Dublin, and you can see plenty of clouds in the background, but that sun is really beaming through there. Those are mainly cumulus clouds that you see off in the distance, but mainly the temperatures out there are at 85 degrees, and you've got a mixture of clouds and sun there. And it feels like 84, humidity 41%, that dew point is at 58 degrees, and the winds are variable at 7 miles per hour. Now, looking at the numbers right now across the southeast, mostly everyone's in the mid to upper 80s, but as you're traveling more to the west, those temperatures are in the 90s. Now, looking at Birmingham, Alabama, 92, Montgomery's at 90, Atlanta's at 84, Savannah 84, and Valdosta is the warm spot here in Georgia at 86 degrees. Now, for your almanac numbers, we got up to 86 today. We started out at a cool 56. We were a little bit below our normal high temperatures. We should be at 88 and we should be at 65 degrees. The record was set back in 1980 for 101 and was a very chilly 47 back in 1967. Now, the humidity right now is rather on the dry side, mainly between 36 and about 47% out there. So when you get humidity levels this low, you start to get a little concerned because of the fact that things are starting to dry out, not just the air, but also the ground and the soils. Now, looking at the dew points right now, they're equally low too. They're comfortable, but they're still low, mainly in the mid 50s most places, with the exception of Gordon being at 61. Now, tropics are starting to wake up now. We're looking at an area of cyclone development at 80% here. And again, cone is getting a little bit wider. So again, we're going to keep an eye out because of the fact we're in the peak of hurricane season. Now, looking at the infrared satellite at this time, few clouds, mainly in North Carolina. That is a closed off low there. So it's just spinning and spinning until something else comes and just pushes it out of the way. Wind gusts are ranging anywhere from about 11 to 16 miles per hour. And the temperature change over the past 24 hours, we're looking at anywhere from 2 degrees cooler than what we were 24 hours ago. The rain chances right now is only on Sunday right now, 20%, and it's isolated chance. Now, looking at the futurecast, again, we have a few clouds moving in, but for the most part, rain is very scarce. And I'll have your 7-day forecast in about 10 seconds. Here's your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast, sponsored by Volume Chevrolet. We're looking at pleasant conditions over the next few days. Temperatures will range in the mid to upper 80s. By about Thursday and the Friday, we'll be in the low 90s, and then we expect the clouds to start to build in over the weekend, but we expect some isolated showers on Sunday, and those clouds hang around for the beginning portion of next week.